the Disney Stranger channel. I'm Mrs. Stranger, and I, with my cousin and a good school friend, are here at the All-Star Music Resort in Disney World. And as you see behind me, a huge fiddle. We are located in the Country Fair part. There are 4 parts: the Calypso, the Rock, the Jazz, the Broadway, actually 5. And we are in the Country Fair. So come along with the room tour of All-Star Music Resort. Staying at room 6406 in the Country Fair section. Let me knock. And yay, here is our room. Thank you very much. We have a nice shelf to store all of your things. A lot of space for toiletries and things, your electric and your charging station. We also have a table and chairs and a nice Murphy bed. We will bring that down in just a moment. You come this way and there's the second bed with many pillows. Very cool. Coming over here, you have the phone to reach guest services and more shelving. Light switches. I love the lights. Very cool. We have Minnie Mouse, we have Mickey Mouse, and we have Donald Duck above the bed. Very cool. On this side of the bed, you also have nice shelving and more electrical plugs to plug in the sockets and more storage. Very cool. Nice and roomy. Okay, we come this way and we enter the bathroom. We have a very nice closet space with shelving above for a suitcase or a travel bag. We come in and there we have the ironing board. I love it. For those quick ironing needs. We have also the, oh hi. We also have the iron and hair dryer. And more shelving. Lots of shelving to put those toiletries on, and underneath we have our towel, tissues, sink, and I love the Disney soap. Let's bring that out to show you. Disney soap. And we have a makeup mirror, extra tissues, extra toilet paper. Then we come this way and it's a very spacious shower and towels. Plenty of towels. And we have the shower doors. And again, they've done away with our individual shampoo and conditioners, and we have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body wash. Big bottles that stays to the wall. Nice shower head. Love it. We actually just saw those H2O products that you can buy at the gift shop at the main building. The body wash and the shampoo.
Okay.
How much is the shampoo?
Shampoo, Sea Marine shampoo. $29.99.
Okay, I think this is in our room. This is awfully nice. We have the TV and we have the usual what's going on at Disney World. It is Saturday. We love it. All the park hours. Everyone likes to keep this on. And we have the enhanced cleaning, which is nice. The remote control is sanitized. And a little guide. We also have some outlets again for those charging needs. Plenty of drawer space. Nice. We have 1, 2, 3 drawers. Over here, we have a safe. And more shelving to store all of your needs while you're here on vacation. We also have, oh, and of course the circle light. Can't forget that. We also have recycling. Okay, I think it's time to try this Murphy bed. Just a moment. I'll step back. You can see we have the ice bucket, extra cups. We have the coffee pots and the cups. And then we have a nice drawer to store things if you need. And on the bottom is a very cool refrigerator. No pun intended. Oh, there it is. So there's a refrigerator. We already have it stocked with a few drinks and wine. So this would be a great stay. We have the thermostat right there to fluctuate what temperature you need, and the curtain that you can peek outside to see what's outside. There it is. Thank you for joining us. Thanks for joining us on this Disney Stranger adventure. We had fun, and like we always say, don't forget to walk forward. Good night.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.